Okay, folks, let's see if the chickens have adjusted to snow yet. I just opened the door 10 seconds ago. This is snow number 4. Got about 3-4 inches of snow out there. They're looking. It's like, oh man, should we come out in this stuff or not? I got them a piece of bread. Who's gonna be the first? Oh, here you go. I don't have my chicken's name, so I can't tell you who's first. But look here. Good job. And I'll give them the breadcrumbs. Piece of bread all clumped up there. Yeah, it looks like they're all gonna come out and give it a good job. Oh, no, she says I'm going back in. Oh, nope, I can't make up my mind. One straggler. Well, it looks like they're doing a little better. Hesitated coming out, but she's gonna go in there and lay an egg. All right, there you have it. Oh, now she decides she's gonna come out. There you go. Join her friends. Good day, folks.